What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have probably one of the most popular brands of lights there is. All right, it's popular, it's cheap, and simple. So right here we have these blinker lights, and we are going to be installing these. The reason why I'm installing these is because my blinker light is going really fast. So it could be maybe like two things. It could be either your bulb is going out, or it can be your fuse. So right now we're just going to switch out the bulb. So I have already taken this headlight out because I have another headlight replacement. So what you do is you take two screws out from the top, and then you have to pull it out. That's how it is on my model. My model is a 2007 Ford Expedition. All right, now we need to, I'm going to go ahead and unscrew all of these bulbs. So I have this bulb here, this goes in the middle. I got to remember all of this stuff, you guys. All right, because I am going to switch out this headlight anyway. And you have to turn left, loosen it, pull out. I believe I changed that bulb. So is this the blinker? Which one of these is the blinker, you guys? Oh, here we go. Oh yeah. I don't know, this bulb seems fine. It's very old and it's rotting out. It's fading on color. But we are going to go ahead and change it out. So go ahead and put that in. So what you do is just pull out. All right, and then you put this one in, brand new. All right, you can see the difference. This one is definitely run its course. Now it don't look like it's blown. You could tell if it's blown if the part in the middle is like broken, but maybe it's not this one, maybe it's the other one. We will check and see. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the two in the front first, and then I will check the blinker. And if the blinker works good, then it was the ones in the front, and then I'm gonna check the ones in the back, and so on and so on. So I do have the rear blinker lights as well. So we are going to go ahead and get it to that. So I'm going to go ahead and put the new headlight on, and then once I'm done everything, we will finalize and see if everything works well. There we go. It's in. All right, you guys, so my blinker light is still blinking fast. Y'all see that? All right, so the blinker light is working. Oh man, I'm so happy we have new headlights, you guys. I can see every single thing. So that blinker is working. All right, so we changed both of the front blinkers. Now let's check the rear. And I'm pretty sure the rear don't work, which is a hazard because, all right, so the rear is not working. And let's check the rear left. All right, we got the rear left on. All right, so the rear is not working. So we are going to go ahead and replace those right now. First thing we need to do to take the blinker lights is take the screws off. These screws are star key screws right here. And we have our amortison set right here. This amortison set is a star set right here. Right here it says Torx head drill bit set. I did review these on the channel. I will try to shuffle and see if I could find it for y'all. All right. So we are going to go ahead and let's see, too big. Let's try T20. Let's see if T20 works. Yep, T20 is perfect. And this amortison set wasn't that expensive, you guys. 10 bucks. If you have a Ford, older Ford, you definitely need a star set. Why did they make it a star set? I don't know. It's like with Ford, a lot of their stuff is like half and half. So you better have all the tools you need. All right, I took those screws off, and let's see. Gotta wiggle and jiggle, you guys. All right. There we go. All right. So what we're gonna do is twist off. I know y'all barely can see it, but I'm gonna turn left, twist it off. I'll let it hang there. All right, we are on the other side. Same thing, you guys. All right, 2 screws and pull. Oh, this one was easier. Oh, okay, a lot easier. So what we're gonna do is twist it. I know y'all barely can see, but what we're doing is twisting and pull out. And there's something wrong with this light bulb. This light bulb is blown. The blinker light works here. We got the blinkers working now. Everything is good. I did not have to change out a fuse. For cheap, you could change it yourself. You don't need to hire no professional to change out light bulbs, you guys, unless you have a 2022. If you have a 2022, I can't help you. So that's how you change out your blinker lights. The blinkers work well now. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.